that you had discussed with us about all the problems. But we want that the more rather than nowadays Christian girls are kidnapping and they were taking them forcibly, they were doing a marriage and after that the family is suffering. Can you say something for that families, for their support that they get?
I just want to encourage Pakistani Christians and their families because we are aware about their situation and we fight for them. We fight with Pakistani government to put out of order blasphemy law because this law is against basic human rights, which means freedom of religion or belief. So I addressed many questions to Madam Mogherini, High Representative, and to the European Commission to protect Pakistani Christians' rights, and I will fight for them because I think that this law is not good situation. When we talk about human rights in Pakistan, it's not good. It's not acceptable that kidnapping of young girls and converting to Islam happening in Pakistan. It's not acceptable that Christians could work only low-level jobs like cleaning toilets. It's not normal that it's not allowed to Christians to organize weddings, baptism, funeral in their own religion, on their own way. We want to ensure normal life for Pakistani Christians and we will fight for that.